Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover Maven projects example. So let's get started. We have to create a simple Maven example by executing archive type generate command of Maven 2. To create a simple Java project using Maven, you need to open a command prompt and run this archive type generate. Okay. So how we do it? Syntax mvn archive type generate -d group id equal to group id, whatever group id you will give, you will place here. D artifact id you will place here. -d architect id maven architect quick start, and this boolean value you can give in interactive mode. Okay, so let's see the example. So they have given this group id, this artifact id, and interactive mode G false they have given. Okay, so now this all things are started automatically. Okay, after typing that. Okay, and this is a cubic generator. Okay, like how your pattern is there, product structure is there. So this is generated. Okay, and this is your Maven Pom.xml Maven file, you can say. This automatically generates. Okay, after typing that, this is generated API app.java, and this is test.java. Okay, these all are automatic, and to compile we use mvn clean compile. Okay, then to run Java, then we will like com java app. It will print hello world and lol as well. How to build the Maven project and how to package Maven project. So we have some commands, you can say: validate, compile, test, package, integration test, verify, install, deploy. Okay, ambient package. Okay, package means your jar is created here. Okay, so next all the things we will see in our next lecture. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any question, please do comment, like my video, and subscribe my channel, and do share. Thank you. Bye bye.